Hey, well, this is the end of day 14. Tomorrow morning, I go to get my staples out and talk to my family doctor about just what's going on and just how the knee's been, and I'll see what she says. So today I did some more. A lot more walking, stairs twice, walking with a cane for a couple minutes, and then my walker. Like, so if I'm walking anywhere, 99% of the time I'm taking the walker. Went out for lunch, so, to get out of the house and do something different. So that's been day 14. The day has been, pretty good. I still have the pain in my leg. I have managed to, with the heat, I've managed to sort of relax some of the muscle in my calf, half of it. I haven't been able to get the other half, but the top half is sort of a little more relaxed and pliable. It's not hard as a rock. The lower part of my leg is still hard, and then the top in the thigh is a little the muscles relax, but there is still pain in that one side on the left side. So that's what I've been doing today. Just some more of the exercises, walking with the walker, doing stairs, working on the cane as well, trying to get ready for going home, planning on going home on the weekend, probably Saturday, Sunday, and then I'll have to talk to my kids because they're gonna have to step it up a little bit. They've had a pretty easy time of it. With me being here with my parents have been helping, and I'm gonna need the help because I just can't get around the way I normally do. So although I want to be at home, trying to get my kids to step it up, it'll be a little hard. Now, I say kids, right? But, I'm in my mid-50s. So I have my 3 kids live with me. My one daughter's at university, so she stays at university. And she comes home for the holidays and that. My other 2 kids live at home, and 29 and 25 kids, right? I don't think it matters, like, how old they get. They're always kids, like, it's just the way it is. It's just, I'm, staying at my parents' house, and I'm still a kid to them, like, I get treated like a kid sometimes, but it's, it's all good. It's just part of being a parent, right? So, that's my day today. Just doing the exercises, walking in the walker, going up and down the stairs and to the basement, and walking around with the cane, just getting used to, that balance that's needed. Just to make sure I feel comfortable. So when I drop the walker and I'm going to the cane only, I've got some confidence, So that's the plan. That's what I've been doing. And it's been a good day for them, for day 14. So this is my leg today, my knee. I still have the swelling. So right here, the muscles all loosened up and it feels not too bad. But right here, it's just tight, and I still feel like a tightness there. And then I'm still getting sort of like a shin splint on the front, right along that side. So I'm getting a shin splint, and up here I'm still getting this large grouping of muscles right here coming into the knee at a sort of, they're loose, but man, when you lift your knee up, you know, that comes up and the pain is like right here, just coming in and into the knee. It's like unbearable at times. And I have a constant ache right at the front. So there's a constant ache there. And then, you know, it's just sore. Just sort of along here, and I got a numbness from there to about here. That is like a numb area that I don't feel that well. So I can't really tell you, you know, the feeling there is just not, yeah, it's just numb. Anyway, and then, you know, I just get the shin splints down here. So it's the end of the day 14. You know, it's been 2 weeks tomorrow. So it's you know, it's been a tough 2 weeks. You know, I can't lie on that. It's the first week was a killer. Everyone's saying that you know, painful, a lot of trials and tribulations with a knee replacement. They're not kidding. It sucked. That first week was just brutal. The second week, it was just sort of a constant. You know, like every day it was a little better, but it's still constant. You know, like the pain in the knee, not being able to sleep on my side because it torques the knee, not being able to sleep on my back because I just never done that. So sleep has been hard to find. You know, like it is just tough sometimes when you're, you know, when there's change, when you're in pain, when you're, you know, everything's, you know, when you've had an operation. So I just find that, you know, when you're not feeling 100% or you're in pain, it's just hard to get into, a rhythm, you know, it just is. But anyway, that's my day 14. I'm looking forward to tomorrow. We'll see the doctor, get some more answers from her on, you know, the next step. And then Monday of next week, I'll be seeing the physiotherapist. I thought it was Tuesday, but no, it's Monday. And I start work next week, so I'll be working from home. It'll be a little trying at first, but once I get into the swing of it, if I can get better sleep, it won't be as bad. But if I'm working and I'm tired, that'll be hard, so we'll have to see how that works out. But anyway, have a good night. See you for day 15.